Bonjour, thank you for joining us. We have here Confit Byaldi, a variation of traditional Ratatouille. Let's begin. For the piperade base, you will need 1.8 kilos of tomatoes and 2 small bell peppers. Incise and blanch to remove the skins. Quarter the tomatoes and remove the cores. Continue boiling the peppers until they soften, and cut the peppers into sections before peeling. Cook the tomatoes down until at least 400 ml of juice can be drained. Now saute 1 diced yellow onion with 3 cloves of pressed garlic. Then add the peeled bell peppers, tomato pulps, 2.5 grams of salt, and some fresh basil. Marinate together before blending. I really love this bright orange color. You can think of this as a light and very refreshing tomato sauce. For the zucchini and yellow squash, slice by hand with a sharp knife. While tools such as mandolins are convenient, you will not get these paper-thin slices which promote rapid maturation of flavor and basically prevent the tomatoes from turning to mush. Slice the Roma tomatoes on the thicker side, about 6 mils. Finally, slice the Chinese eggplant last and cover with wrap to prevent oxidation. To assemble, first stack a few layers of the yellow squash seasoned with dried basil and thyme. Then a few zucchini, 1 Roma tomato, each seasoned with a pinch of salt, and then your eggplant. Continue building up the piles, leaving the tomato and eggplant out every so often to improve the brightness of your presentation after cooking. Fill your baking dish about halfway with a piperade and arrange the slices. This smells amazing! So this was baked at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. And what's great about Ratatouille is that the leftovers taste even better. To plate the leftovers, just flatten out 2 piles of vegetables and bend them around each other to hold it together. Chefs do this because only advanced level slicing and meticulous steaming will permit this arrangement. Then transfer to a serving plate with extra sauce, finely ground herbs, and a single chive. Thanks for watching, and check out other videos from this channel.